Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make a holiday bread star. Add warm milk to the yeast and whisk it together. You will see bubbles forming around the edges of the bowl. Add the rest of the ingredients. The order really doesn't matter, except for the butter and the salt. Don't worry if it looks dry. As you add the butter, it will come together. Add the salt and continue mixing the dough until smooth. You can finish kneading your dough on a table. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest until double in its size. When the dough is ready, cut it in 3 pieces. Roll each piece into a 10-inch circle. Place the first circle in the baking pan and spread butter on top. Add half of the filling and place another circle on top. Repeat this process again. After you add the last circle, place a small bowl in the center for guidance. Cut the dough in 4 quarters and then cut each quarter in half. Cut each half into pieces to form 18 pieces. Twist 2 pieces together to form a point. You should end with 8 points. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Serve at room temperature.